Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about wireless charging and magnetic cases here on the OnePlus 13. As you guys know, OnePlus does have their own magnetic wireless charger, and they have magnets on their cases, similar to this one here. This isn't an official OnePlus case, this is one from Amazon, but it's got the magnet on here. So I'm going to test out some charging speeds and see exactly how they compare to wired charging and wireless charging without the case using the same charger. So I've got my Anker battery here, and just for reference, we're just going to plug this in with USB-C real quick. This power bank is capable of putting out more than 100 watts, so it's completely capable. As you can see, our 43%. It is Super VOOC charging, which is OnePlus's faster speed. This isn't as fast as it can go with something like the OnePlus power adapter, where it goes up to 80 watts. It's drawing about 25 right now, and it says it's 34 minutes until fully charged when charging with USB-C. So we're going to power the wireless charger here. This is a Qi 2 compatible wireless charger, so the newest standard. We should be able to get at least 15 watts out of it by the Qi 2 standards. So we're going to slap that on right there on the magnet. It is a magnetic stand wireless charger. It's just not unfolded, and it's not charging right there. Okay. All right, so that one is not charging. I did have it charging with my Anker battery, and that was charging. It was about 3.5 hours to charge. I didn't bring that one in here with me. We're just going to try it without the case. Okay, so it looks like without the case it is working. I don't know why it's not working with the case, because we're in right about the same spot. But you can see here, 3 hours and 32 minutes until fully charged, and we're pulling at 9.6 watts here on the Anker power bank. So not terribly bad. I did try this case on my Anker stand that's on my nightstand, and I was getting the same speed. So I'm not too sure why it's not working with the magnet. That is something with this charger in particular, because my stand was able to work, and everything else. Yeah, it's in the same spot. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. I can move it around and everything like that, and it doesn't. Something with the magnet in this charger, it looks like it just doesn't want to work. So if you want to use this magnet, you can wirelessly charge with it with most chargers, I guess. Not all of them, apparently. But I tried with my Anker MagSafe power bank, and I tried with my Anker stand on my nightstand, and they both were able to charge. They both charged at about the same speed, where this takes about 3.5 hours to charge from about 40 to 50%. Now, if you want to get the 50 watts, like I said, OnePlus does make their own charger and their own cases. I'm not too sure about if it's this magnet or if it's the chargers, but if you use OnePlus's charger, you'll probably get better speeds using the magnets and stuff like that, especially if you're using their first-party cases. And then, of course, they do have their Super VOOC wireless charging stand that gives you 50 watts as well. So you can't fast charge with the Ring magnets on here using MagSafe chargers, unfortunately. I wish you could. That would have been really nice, but nice magnet case nonetheless. Like I said, most of OnePlus's cases now have this magnet as well, for like stands and mounts and stuff like that. It works with all the MagSafe accessories basically, and then, like I said, some charging accessories. So that is wireless charging and magnetic cases on the OnePlus 13. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.